Hello, Sequoites. This is Mr. Hamilton, principal of Antioch Community High School. I'm here to talk to you today about our active intruder training, which is called ALiCE. Now, before we begin, I want to let you know that you are in an extremely safe school. Your teachers and staff and fellow students have done a great job of building relationships and making sure that everyone has a safe learning environment in which they can perform their best. However, it is incumbent upon all of us that if we see or hear something, that we share that with others so that we can intervene and maintain your safety. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is ALiCE? ALiCE is a program which empowers you to make decisions as a class and as an individual. It's based on providing clear, concise information about what is occurring and allowing you to make the best decision for you. We do engage in proactive training throughout the year. It's also an acronym which stands for ALERT, Lockdown, Inform, Counter, and Evacuate. And as you can see, there's different actions which fall under each one. However, these do not have to occur in that specific order. We'll talk about each aspect of this acronym and what that means for you as a student at Antioch Community High School. Alert is a shift from just a generic announcement of lockdown to providing you with very specific information. As you can see on the screen, such an example would be Billy Public entered the Commons with a handgun heading towards the Tech Ed wing. He's wearing a gray hoodie and tan cargo pants. We will give you that specific information so you can make a decision on what you feel is best. One of those decisions could be a lockdown. Now, a lockdown is not just closing the room and finding a place in a corner. It also includes barricading. You would secure the door and use any materials that you have to ensure that an intruder would not be able to enter your space. The use of desks, a belt, and some other options are available to you, and your teacher will discuss those as we go through the ALiCE training today. Inform is we will continue after the alert to provide you with information as to what is occurring. And you also will have the opportunity to inform each other of the whereabouts of the intruder so that you can decide whether lockdown, barricade, or an evacuation is appropriate. Counter is a worst case scenario option where if the intruder were to enter your room, you use whatever is available to you to throw at that intruder and to possibly physically confront them and take them down. The intent is to distract the intruder and to delay their response time and allow you an opportunity to get to safety. The best option in all of ALiCE is evacuation. If there is an escape path, you should take it. If you have an opportunity to get out of the building, that is your best course of action because it will maintain and take care of your safety the best way possible. So again, the best option is evacuation. However, other options are available to you, and you will discuss these with your teacher. As I said before, ALiCE is predicated on you having information and making the best decision for you and your fellow students. It's an option-based plan of action. It integrates technology and uses common sense. It empowers you to make the decision that is best for you, and it also gives you skills that you can apply in other areas of your life if an unfortunate incident were to occur. And I just want to say thank you for participating. I know this is not the easiest thing to do, but it does make sure that we are the safest Sequoites possible. Thank you.